Blockchain fundamentally will change, the human way of transacting. Like, we as humans, how do we transact with each other? So it's not technology driven, even though it may appear like this is technology driven. Technology is an inherent part of it. And that's a much bigger thing. Because think about, if we as humans, how do we trust each other? How do we make sure whatever we agree on, we can execute to, and both consumers and businesses can comply to it? Blockchain will be a revolution. We are in still early stages. We still have very few established applications as platforms. Essentially, the technology will have to scale to provide the scalability, the security. You can't afford to have hacks if you're building blockchain for enterprise solutions. Consumers will have to look at adoption. It's the model is very important. On what model we are, so it's about human behavior, what human behavior model and how technology solves it. So both on solutions and on platform side, it's a fundamental change. Blockchain is not the uniform technology will solve everything. You still need artificial intelligence. You still need identity-based technologies. How will they integrate together? So the engineers will have to integrate the two words, the word of these new emerging models and the word of the emerging technologies and how they tie together. Blockchain, if you can trust the information you're providing, now can we enhance this information? Can it have intelligence embedded in it? So there's a lot of applications of how not only you want to share trustworthy information, you also want to be intelligent about detecting what type of information it is, or have predictions with it, or have projections with it. If you are having somebody provide the information on the blockchain, how do you make sure this is the right person before you even trust the information? So what is the identity for that person? Is the identity technology foolproof? Will it actually scale with how blockchain will scale? So we believe there will be an integration across all of these technologies. Again, it is model driven, to my point earlier. It's the new fundamental models with which businesses and consumers will operate will be facilitating how these integrations take place.